Here's a look at your daily market report on this Friday, the first day of August. Starting to see some gate swing in feedlot country. We'll talk about that here shortly, but first we're going to take a look at the limited auction receipts from yesterday. As far as feeder cattle go, about the only auction around the state on Thursday was Mid-Missouri Stockyards in Phillipsburg, 848 head. The steers sold $3 to $8 higher. A few lighter weights under 500 pounds, as much as 15 higher. The steers, medium and large ones, some 5 to 6 weights at $396 to $419. Some 6 to 7 weights, including a full potload of heavy 6 weights, $373.5 to $384. 34 head of 825-pound steers, $335. The feeder heifers, very limited receipts on the heifers this week. A few 5 to 6 weights at $385 to $390. A few 6 to 7 weights at $338.5 to $347. Take a look at the results from that special replacement cow sale held last night at Joplin Regional Stockyards. Receipts there, 1,016 head. Some bred cows, medium and large ones, some 2 to 8 year old cows in second and third stage, $3,550 to $4,100 per head. Some first stage cows at $2,900 to $3,100, and some short solid mouth cows in second and third stage at $3,000 to $3,300. Some medium and large ones and twos, 2 to 8 years old, second and third stage, $2,800 to $3,700. Some short solid mouth cows, $2,400 to $3,000. Some broken mouth cows in second and third stage at $2,500 to $2,950. Some bred heifers, medium and large ones, some 2 to 4 year old heifers, second and third stage, $3,500 to $4,050 per head. Some medium and large ones and twos in second and third stage, they brought from $2,750 to $3,500. Box beef cutout values this morning. Choice up $2.83 at $364.15. Select down 77 cents at $340.60. Those values based on 43 loads of cuts, trimmings, and grinds. And the Choice Select spread at $23.55. Taking a look at those feedlot sales so far for the week, 43,203 head in the South. Texas has reported 3,452, Kansas 5,539 head so far, both of those regions at 235 live, and that would be $3 to $5 higher than last week. In Iowa, 14,436 head so far. Live sales $245, that's up $5 from last week. Dress sales at $383, that's up $3 from last week. In Nebraska, 14,076 head so far. The live sales there at $245, $3 higher than last week in that area. Dress sales from $383 to $385, mostly at $383, and that would be mostly $3 higher than last week. Taking a look at the futures markets this morning, after that awful day in the livestock complex yesterday, kind of bounced back with a new month, and all of these gains from today will be gains that we see for the week so far, if they sure enough do close higher, as the yesterday's sharp losses had taken away everything that we had gained so far this week. This morning at midday, live cattle for August up $237, $230.15. October up 50 cents at $223.65. December $224.42 up 50. August feeder cattle up $245, $333.80. September up $155 at $333.10. October up $105 at $331.22. Lean hogs for August, 107.40 up 27. October 90.10 up 52. December 82.32 up 60. Taking a look at the Board of Trade, corn contracts at midday, 2 to 4 lower, September 390, December 411, March at 428. Soybeans at midday, 1 to 2 higher, August 963 3/4, September 971, November at 990 3/4. September wheat 518 3/4, December 538 3/4, March at 557 1/2. Those contracts 3 to 4.5 cents lower at midday. Soybean meal for August up $4.60 a ton, $266.40. Soybean oil for August down 93 cents a hundredweight at $54.65. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, that's a look at your daily market report for Friday. This is Tony Hancock.